Guys, kung kahapon malamig, ngayon ay sobrang init. Kaya naman nakakatamad. Parang wala kang ganang gawin sa buhay. Gusto mo na lang maghiga at magpalamig, kumain ng yelo at kung ano man. Kaya kung may ginagawa ka, wait Nandi, kaya kung may ginagawa kayo ay maganda kaysa naman wala. Nakakatamad. Kagaya niyan. Kaya may nakita tayo. Natutulog lang dahil nakakatabad ng araw. Titingnan natin ngayon. Dahil merong ginawa si Mandy sa kanilang school. Titingnan natin kung talaga nakakapagpa-cheerful talaga to. Mandy, let us try it. So guys, tingnan natin kung effective nga ito. Check out. Wait. Hindi pala. Malungkot pala ako. Give it to me. Let me see. Only one. Did I just smile? Another one. For real? Wait. So tingin ko effective guys. Isa pa Mandy. Another try. One only first. Isa pa. Hala. Effective nga Mandy. Effective. Wait. Bigla akong ginaganahan guys, oh. Mandy, I think I'm going to cheer. So guys, effective to. Magiging cheerful kayo after nito. Tingnan nyo to, Mandy. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you, girl? Deep to my... Ay! Sorry. Hey guys, I'm feeling it. Wait. I'm feeling it. Give me drums, Mandy. Come on. A for Amanda. B for Matt. C for Cut. The next. Okay, expired na guys. So guys, tapos na. Nakakapagod kaya malungkot na tayo ulit. Let's see, Mandy, it's your fault. You gave this to me, now I'm all sweaty. Yeah? Now, Mandy, I'm feeling it again. Nothing beats a jet to holiday.